What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I'm back with another review. This time it's the Nike SB Dunk. I might need a translator. Trocadero Gardens. And it's a play on Paris, London, the Eiffel Tower, the garden around it. Very bright shoe, man. Hit the B-roll. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Trocadero Gardens. I'm trying, guys. But nonetheless, man, this is a dope shoe, man. A lot of hits of pink, some gray, teddy bear brown. I like the shoe. It's light. It's light. But again, you know, the Olympics is in Paris, so a lot of silhouettes is doing like a Paris sneaker, and I really dig this. Y'all know how I feel about SBs already. So we're going to get into a full 4K review of this sneaker right now. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get that Nike SB box when it's really like a general release. Even though I feel like this one ain't really general release. It does have the Paris theme, but you get that purple box as it's just like a regular colorway, even though I feel like it's more than that. But it's not a collab, so I get it. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro PRM Amber Brown Guava Ice. Flip open the lid, get that green tissue paper. And what Nike's SB has been doing is giving us this glow-in-the-dark sticker since Halloween, so you get one of these too. And here's a 360 view of the Nike SB. I'm going to just say Gardens, guys, because I know I'm tearing that first name up. But they just dropped last week on the Sneakers app. And if you ask me, it's a lot of guava ice in this. It's a lot of guava ice in this. So let's start with the toe box. You get a teddy bear brown toe box. Kind of hard. It's not furry, no nubuck. This is leather, guys. But I want y'all to look close in it. You see this different spots in it? Like it looks like it's suede nubuck. It's a crazy material here, guys. Around that's where the guava ice starts. And it's so shimmery that it looks a different texture, guys. Or a different color as you go around. Sort of just like guava ice does. I want y'all to get hits all in there. It looks crazy, guys. The material on this sneaker is wow. Come up, you get that swoosh. It kind of has the same material as around the toe box, but I mean, it's just not shimmering as much as that. But it is the same colorway for sure. Behind that is a beautiful pale pink. Reminds me of the Pigs Fly Dunks that came out recently. Not the ones from the early 2000s. I have those up there. We could check it out. But that pink is hitting, man. And that guava ice hits is all the way around. You see it better right there. You get to the back. That teddy bear brown pops back in. Then you get like that pale olive color there. And the Nike logo's there. One of my favorite Nike logo. And that concludes the back. The inside of the shoe looks just like the outside. Yo, this guava ice material is like, this is dope, man. Let's get to the shoelaces. You get that brown, same as the toe box. The whole sneaker's just shimmering, guys. I hope y'all seeing this in 4K. But I like that brown shoelaces that it comes laced in. Very unique, very different. I really like that. Let's get to the tongue. Of course, it's a Nike SB, so you get the huge Nike SB tongue. But even that's shimmering a little bit. You see the Nike logo is usually just one color here, and then the Nike logo is a different color. It's just got a whole bunch of colors in it. And it still reads Dunk Low Pro, but you get like that pink splatter there. And the tongue is dope, just like the shimmering around. You get somewhat of a new logo on the inside. I know that has to do with Paris or the garden, but the Nike logo is dressed up different. And the inside is same color as the outside. The bottom of the shoe sports like, I don't know what you say, like a cow or like watercolor situation. That's all the colors from the sneakers look to be washed up together. And the inside is a huge Nike SB logo. If you don't want to do the brown, it also comes in that nice pale pink too. But I kind of like the brown. I feel like the brown gives it more contrast because the whole sneaker is that pink and that white and that shimmery guava ice. But I do like the pink laces also. Here's what I was talking about earlier, guys. See the pink joints I'm saying? But it's definitely lighter than those. Yes, sir, man. A lot of guava ice, but I do love the whole situation, especially the bottom, that colorful look. Instead of just giving us a gum bottom, giving that I really like that, man. The sneaker's well put together. It won't be one of the popular ones this year, but it really, all the SBs this year kind of been under the radar. GR, the saving money joints, the Risa joints. I mean Risa. I still don't even know the first name of this one, but nothing's been too crazy this year so far as Nike SB. And you can add this to the list. So if you're trying to get into Nike SB dunk collecting, this year is one of those good years for you where these sneakers are 180, 190. I just seen that the J-Pack bread colorway SBs re-released from 2020, and now they for like 180, 160. As soon as I finish editing this video, I'm buying a pair. Those are at $400. So if you want to get in the SB game, I say this is the best time. As far as quality on this shoe, I did have a little bit of dark stains, but I mean, it's a light sneaker. This one's going to be hard to maintain. You're going to need the Crep Protect. I got these straight from Sneakers, $130, shipped to me with tax. I think some sizes is still on the Sneakers desktop. So this is definitely one of the sneakers to get into. But in the comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about these. If y'all watch the channel, y'all know the light color SBs I try to stay away from. But these are so pretty, man. If I find the right shirt, hat, this is a straight on feat to me. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.